Various factors prompt an individual to consider moving to a foreign country.
The reason I gave IELTS was for my student visa, and I want to continue my undergraduate degree in UK.
I wish to go abroad, basically for higher studies like most people.
I want to go abroad because of my kid. I want to save future for them.
I'm going abroad for doing my MS in counseling skills.
Expectations of better economic opportunities, improved living standards, and a higher quality of education are just some of them.
Hello, Mom.
और बेटा क्या सोचा है? फाइनल एग्जाम के बाद क्या करने वाले हो?
मॉम, पता है आजकल यही सोच रहा हूँ. I think I'd like to go abroad.
मेरा ये ख्याल है कि तुम्हें अब तक सोच लेना चाहिए था कि तुम्हें आगे क्या करना है. देखो तुम्हारे दोस्तों ने तो प्लान भी कर लिया होगा.
Mom, for quality education and better exposure, I think abroad ही जाना पड़ेगा. That in itself is so tedious. इतनी ख्वारी है, इतने सारे options हैं. And each time that I go online, कोई 500 अलग-अलग options और requirements निकल के सामने आती हैं. And it's also expensive that you really can't afford to take any steps until you are really sure. तो देखते हैं.
एहसन भाई की बेटी ज़ारा बाहर पढ़ रही है. आजकल वो कराची आई हुई है छुट्टियों पर. तो तुम उससे क्यों नहीं पूछ लेते?
हाँ, मेरा ख्याल है आप सही कह रही हैं. ये अच्छा ऑप्शन है, मिल लेना चाहिए उनसे. Because there are more questions on the internet than there are answers. ठीक है अम्मी, आप सही कह रही हैं. ज़रूर मिलना चाहिए. मेरे ख्याल में 2-3 दिन में चक्कर लगाता हूँ मैं. अभी साथ आ गया है बाहर. मेरा ख्याल है मुझे चलना चाहिए. आप डिनर पे मेरा वेट नहीं कीजिएगा, मैं बाहर ही खाऊंगा.
बेटा तुम जल्दी आ जाना, टाइम ज़ाया ना करना.
ठीक है अम्मी, इंशाल्लाह. ओके.
ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज.
With an overwhelming amount of information on the internet and inadequate counseling facilities in most parts of the world, it is fairly difficult for a prospect to make the right choice.
Oh, hi Jahangir. How are you?
Hello Zara, I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm good too. So, क्या हो रहा है आजकल?
कुछ खास नहीं है. बस like you, I have plans to go abroad and get enrolled into a foreign university. But कुछ concerns हैं, कुछ issues हैं which need being addressed. So would you be able to help me?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
So Zara, how's your experience studying abroad been?
It's great. Nothing compares to an education abroad. Completely opens new horizons for you. I was pretty lucky to be able to study abroad. So many people I know who wanted to study abroad had to give up for one reason or another.
Yes, but it's not easy, is it? These universities have so many requirements, complicated paperwork, and even submitting applications could cost so much money.
Well, yeah, but once you know what to do, it makes the actual process way easier. तुमको सबसे पहले IELTS देना होगा. IELTS is English Language Proficiency Test recognized by universities worldwide.
IELTS is undoubtedly the test that opens doors around the world. IELTS is the most comprehensive and renowned standardized test conducted across the globe, and IELTS with the British Council is definitely the best choice.
British Council Pakistan has been offering IELTS since 1994. In fact, we are the first one to conduct IELTS in Pakistan. We started off with 3 cities, and now we have got a wider coverage. We are conducting the exam in 6 cities across Pakistan.
How do I apply for it? एक तो एक टेस्ट देने के लिए इतनी सारी complications होती हैं.
Oh, I have something for you.
I see.
Applying for IELTS through British Council couldn't be easier. You just need to go on their website and in 3 quick steps you're almost done. Also, there's a friendly staff available who you can speak to on toll-free number for any queries or concerns.
Wow. Now that's a relief. You have no idea मैं कितना tense था. But wait, how do I prepare for it?
Well, you'll find free preparatory material that includes sample test online. So you have an idea of how it goes. Also, the British Council provides free online study material through Road to IELTS for anyone that registers online.
Thank you, Zara, and that is such a relief. You have no idea how much of a help you've been. अगर दोबारा भी कुछ पूछना हुआ तो I'll definitely bother you. Thank you so much.
No problem, Jahangir. Anytime. My pleasure.
Thank you.
IELTS is recognized by more than 6,000 organizations in over 130 countries, including the UK, Canada, and Australia. It includes immigration authorities, universities, professional bodies, employers, and other government agencies. Every year, around 1.4 million candidates take IELTS across the globe. IELTS and the British Council combine perfectly to produce the best quality standardized test across the globe. Whether you wish to pursue higher education, immigration, or explore work opportunities abroad, IELTS with the British Council is the gateway to a successful future.
It's a very comprehensive English language test that assesses candidates on all 4 skills that includes listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So basically, it's a true indicator of the language ability of a candidate. Now, we have got online registration facility for our candidates, so they can register for IELTS while sitting at home, while sitting in the office at their convenient time, from their convenient place. Then we have got toll-free facility for the candidate. If they have got any inquiry, if they face any problem while registration, they can just call our dedicated support team at our information center.
Thank you for calling the British Council. This is Usman. How may I help you?
Building further on our commitment to enhance this customer experience with us, we have got certain value-added services for our candidates, such as free online practice material. It's a 30-hour course that is basically being developed by British Council UK, and it covers all the 4 skills for candidates. Then we have got online result facility. So on the 13th day itself, candidate can go on our website and they can view their result.
Yes, mom. मेरा रिक्वायर्ड 7.5 बैंड आ गया है मॉम।
मुबारक हो, बहुत बहुत मुबारक
IELTS with the British Council is a stepping stone for a prosperous future.